What's up, Jooba people? Welcome to another indie song tutorial. We're gonna be learning this song. It's gonna go like this. And so on and so forth. I'm not gonna play the whole thing. You already know how it sounds like. I'm just gonna jump right into the tutorial and show you the chords, and then we'll play along with the original song through the whole thing. Okay, so G, we use this G, which is, let me give you guys a close up. Oh no, you guys can check the diagrams. G, pretty nice G. Don't use this one, use this one. Okay, and then C/G is gonna be just these two fingers coming on there. And then whenever the chart says C, then you play this C/G. Okay, so when it says C/G, you're gonna play this one. And when it says C, you're gonna play this one. Because this chord is used as a substitute for C most of the time. Okay, in most cases of songs. A minor we're gonna use. Okay. C/B is gonna be if you play a regular C and you go down with the bass. That's what that C/B is. Okay. So, and usually that's played going from C to A minor. Boom. Or back to C from A minor. Okay, and E minor. D/F sharp. Now, the song has a lot of, and for that part, they just do like, they actually just play these two notes when they're playing D/F sharp. So you can do that as well. Just play those two notes. Let me actually just have a close up here, just quickly for. So this is G, and then D/F sharp. So that's used when going from G to E minor. Okay. This is the D I sometimes teach for beginners, and this is a proper D/F sharp. This is technically also D/F sharp. Okay, but anyway. And what the slash means is basically you're just taking the F sharp that's in a D already and just putting it in the bass. It gives it a really nice sound. Okay, the strumming, you could try this. Okay, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, da, 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 da. Okay, but if you really want to get that right, play along with the original track with me now. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on the here, and then I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing. So we're gonna play the original song. Here we go.
Myself a whole pack of cigarettes.
Same as the intro. Verse 2 is going to be the same.
Been so long since I've seen your face, felt the heart of this suitcase. I've been living out of this here suitcase for way too long. Man needs something he can hold on to.
And G7,
9 pounds.
if you want to, but you don't need to.
Another one of them things will do. Jolene, I ain't about to stray. It's too late. I found myself face down and it's wolves in my head, blood on my lips. I picture you holding a piece of me in the pocket of my boots. Still don't know what love means. Still don't know what love Jolene, la 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 la. Jolene, la 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 la. Jolene.
Overplayed there, overplayed, man. Okay, peace out, people. I hope you got it. That strumming rhythm is really very fun to play. Peace out.